Ways to make money with Forex. Way number 1: PAMM accounts. What are PAMM accounts? PAMM accounts are investment accounts where an experienced trader manages the funds of multiple investors. Here's how it works. Step 1: a trader opens a PAMM account with a broker that offers this service. Step 2: an investor selects a trader they want to manage their funds from a list of available traders provided by the broker. Step 3: the investor deposits their funds into the trader's PAMM account. The trader then uses these funds to trade on the financial markets. Step 4: the profits or losses generated from these trades are shared among the investors in the PAMM account according to their initial investment. Step 5: the trader is typically paid a percentage of the profits as a performance fee. Step 6: the investor can monitor the performance of the PAMM account and withdraw their funds at any time. Remember, PAMM accounts provide a way for investors to benefit from the expertise of experienced traders, while traders can earn additional income from managing other people's funds. It's important to note, however, that trading involves risk, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results.